Okay, here we go. Our third progression in glute bridge. You're going to use a step or a small chair or a bench as we're doing. Go ahead and put your heels up on the bench. Scoot your bum a little bit forward and slowly roll yourself back. We're going to do the same glute bridge, but now our feet are elevated. So go ahead and inhale, exhale, lift your hips up without hyperextending your back and bring them right back down. Take them up again, squeeze the glutes, right back down. 3 more, beautiful job. Nice neutral spine, 2. And here we go, 1 more. Typically we do at least 15. Beautiful. Slowly roll up. I'm going to show you 1 more progression, which is a resistance band. I love resistance band. They just add a little bit more added resistance. For the glute bridge, you're going to put it above your knees right here. Yeah, sometimes they can be awkward putting them on or off, but that's just part of it. And you would do the same thing whether you're on the floor or on the bench, and they just add that much resistance. Bring your knees slightly out, and you're doing the exact same move. I'll show you real quick. Inhale, exhale on the way down. Inhale, exhale on the way down. All the way up, all the way down. We're just adding a little bit more resistance to the glute bridge with resistance band. You have 4 progressions for glute bridge. Have fun.